Howdy folks, today I have a new product design for you, a holster for your Zippo lighter. This is a ultra lightweight, ultra compact holster that fits various Zippo lighters and allows the entire face of your Zippo to be exposed. So if you got cool etching, custom design that you want to show off, even if you have a plaque or something on there, it will still dock. It does dock in either direction. It holds the Zippo using the hinge here. On the side are two little tabs. They make sure that this doesn't rattle. And then on the back are two little other tabs. And what those do is make sure that if this ever opens on you, it kind of stays closed such that you can have your Zippo be nice and secure on your belt. This has my hybrid belt loop. This is a new design where you have a built-in belt loop that can fit most leather belts, things that would fit a pair of jeans. Or you got a slot and hole back here that you can add on a metal clip, or I have 6 different belt options, all of them removable, so that you can attach this to MOLLE webbing, or if you want, for some reason, you want horizontal carry, or you need to fit a very large belt, you can do that. I've tested this design with these 5 different Zippos. So we got a painted Zippo, we have a naked copper Zippo. This one is a heavy etched armored Zippo, so it's got a little armor symbol on the side, including also a lacquered brass armored Zippo. I really like this one guy because it's completely all brass. And then even this guy, which is a naked brass with a screwdriver kit inside. And even if you don't everyday carry a Zippo as a lighter, there's plenty of reasons to have one. I really like the butane version here, such that this can stay for months without ever drying out. And so that's really great for emergency carry. That's one reason I kind of got this bright orange here, and I'm going to put probably the butane kit into the bright orange and make that part of my emergency kit. And I use these for heat shrink and things like that, even though, but I don't smoke or anything like that. But the Zippo is an incredibly popular product. People convert them into carriers. So if you want to carry this now on your belt or add it to a pack, something like that, this option's here for you. Anybody who orders in the next week after this video comes out, that is until the next Sunday, I will dye your holster black. Otherwise, it comes in the default gray here, or you can add black dyeing if you want. That black dye is going to be available for your entire order. And even if you have an order with me right now, you can edit your order, add that, and I'll add the dyeing option for free. So this is available now, zapwizard.com. Thanks for watching.